Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if having strong, healthy hair is as important to you as it is to me, then you know that having a healthy scalp is the perfect place to start. I've been using this conditioner from Yobee along with shampoo and the scalp massager, and I'm so impressed with how healthy my scalp feels and how soft and strong my hair is. As you can see, I have fine, long hair that is not just dyed, but also I have gray grow out. This uses PROBYOME technology to make sure that you have the most hydrated, moisturized, and itch-free scalp ever. I'm not used to using a conditioner on my scalp, so I was afraid that using this would make it look greasy. I was impressed with how well it looked, not just immediately after doing my hair, but even a few days later. Yobee products are physician formulated, and you're going to get the best results by using all the products in the hair care line. Along with probiotic extracts, it also has honey, vitamin B12, coconut, and avocado oil, and it just makes your hair feel so nice. I also appreciated that this doesn't have phthalates, sulfates, or parabens, so you can feel really confident using it on every member of your family. Your hair and scalp are going to love you for using not just the conditioner, but the shampoo, scalp mask, and massager, and that's my point of view.